Careernomics is a specialized platform for early career professionals, catering to both bachelor and master students. We have an extensive database of leadership development programs from employers around the world, covering both full-time and internship positions. You can easily find the programs that match your profile and preferences by using our multiple search criteria such as program type, years of experience, and application status. After you search, you can see how many programs match your criteria on the left. Each program has a tag that shows its focus area, so you can easily identify ones of interest. To view the full program details, click on the program name or the company logo. You can also save any program to your favorites by clicking the star in the top right corner. On the program page, you will see the program's type, focus area, target candidates, and duration, followed by the program description and application information. In the right column, you can see the other leadership programs currently on offer, as well as some key facts about the company. You can apply to the program by clicking on Apply in the top right. If the program is closed for application, add it to your favorites, and we will notify you when it opens up again.